What's going on, YouTube? It's about that time again. Now we tune in to Reality Talk News. Now we have a new update, and we was talking about the update before on David and Celeste Rivas case. And when David was accused of Celeste Rivas threatening to killing him, David remains in court this week for a preliminary hearing into the alleged murder of Celeste Rivas. The singer is currently facing murder charges as well as continued sexual abuse of a child and lawful mutilation of human remains as it stands. He has pleaded not guilty to all these charges. However, if this goes on trial and if he's convicted, it's be a possible chance he's gonna face the death penalty. So, according to TMZ, says Texas where read that court on Monday, and David's legal team is trying to use these texts to prove that he may have acted in self-defense. In the text, Celeste Rivas was allegedly upset about David's friendship with Alicia Collins. This promoted Rivers to say, "Oh my effing God, I swear to God I will kill you." Furthermore, Rivers allegedly threatened David's career while saying that she will tell her father lies about him. The following day, Rivers and David continued their conversation on friendly terms as Rivers asked for an Uber. It appears though Rivers would not answer David's text after the exchange was lead to the singer to say he was going to call someone named Jen. So the messages that sit on here when Lord Collins says that David primary hearing day morning day 5 and the LAPD detective Corey Farrell walked into court through the text message exchange between David Anthony Burt and a 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez in the days leading up to her death, according to Farrell's. Now, Taylor also stated on his text message that David Anthony Burt entered the courtroom appearing relaxed and in good spirits. He smiled and whispered with defense attorney Blair Burt, and one of those points similarly joked about the court with the courtroom clerk about water. Now, Blair Burt, one of David's attorneys, was adamant that it needs to be large part of the case that asked LAPD detective Corey Farrell to commit the autopsy of the alleged text. Now, the two text messages had text between David and Celeste. Celeste had threatened David because she found out David had another woman. Now I'm gonna ask you a question. How old is this woman? This other woman he been messing with? How old is this woman? I mean, I bet you that woman's underage, I bet you. Because you know he like underage girls anyway. So Farrell subsequently confirmed that Rivas had made multiple threats towards David, including his life and career. Now they said that Celeste been threatened to end David's career. She was every time she get mad, she go tell her father. She goes tell her parents on David, and accuse him of these things. Now let me tell you something. In the beginning, I'm gonna tell you, all you singers, you celebrity dumbass people, y'all some dumbasses. For number one, y'all need to stop messing with these little ass girls, because y'all know damn well y'all too fucking grown anyway for messing with these little girls. Y'all bringing problems to the table as it is. They 13, 14 years old. What you want to mess with a young girl for? Like I said again, I hope and I pray they relocate Hollywood. I pray, hope they, I hope and pray they relocate in another country because it ain't doing nothing but causing dang on problems. So throughout the proceedings, David lawyers had alleged that Rivius was suicidal and had made violent threats towards David in the past. They also suggest that she was the one on pursuing the singer to see her. Whatever or not, those arguments actually compel a judge or jury in another story entirely. This remained a developing story. Now, David ended up killing this girl. And he's going to plead guilty. He's going to plead guilty because this ain't the first time David been threatened by this girl. Celeste been threatening David multiple times. And it's talking about she was going to end his career. Now, he trying to figure out how to get rid of her now. Because now, she threatened my life. But at the same time, you 20 years old and she's 13, 14. What you doing with a 14-year-old anyway? So right now, he PC'd up right now. Because if he go to the general population, they're going to eat his little ass for lunch. Because you wrong. If you got a career, you can get any woman you want is 20, 21, 22 years old. Hit the like button. And what you do, and the girl probably in junior high right now. Dumbass. She probably in high school, but he decides he wants to mess with a little ass girl. You're dumb. You celebrities are the most dumbest motherfuckers in the world. I don't understand y'all. I really don't. Especially these black celebrities. I don't understand y'all asses. You killed it. Like I said, he's going to plead guilty. And we're going to talk more updates about this. Thank you for watching Reality Talk News.